Hi, my name is Chris Whitman with MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm excited to show you this incredibly family-friendly boat. She's a 2016 350 SLX. She's got twin 8.2, Bravo 3 Mercury joystick, and about 90 hours on it, so very little use. This is our family water area right here. So we've got a beautiful area sit back. We've got our nice teak swim platform. You jump off on either sides because probably they're going to be hanging out in the swim platform that's automatic and submersible underneath. So that gives you a really good area for people to hang in the back. We've got another area I want to show you as well. As we come into the cockpit, you're going to notice that the teak continues all the way through. It's going to be incorporated into our teak table here. Our sunshade that you're going to see as you come in is partially out. That can be brought all the way in. It can be sent farther out. All of that is controlled at the helm, and I'll show you that in a little bit. But as we come into the cockpit, there is a load of seating for people. In this nice L shape, I've got a nice little love seat here. This companion seat swivels around. It will swivel back when we're underway to give us a nice view. We've got our fridge. We've got our grill, our sink, trash receptacle. Everything is extremely handy for everybody. As we come on in, you'll notice we're in a lot of shade right now. We can change that. We actually have an optional sunroof on this. All I have to do is open it up, and then I've got shade here. But right now, this is our area out of the shade because I'm going to show you more sun area in the bow. By the way, if you need to use the head, feel free to stop by. It's going to be a long tour. As you go up into the bow, you'll find that our teak table is duplicated up front as well. And then we've got additional seating on both sides. She does have a bow swim ladder. She does have a through hull windlass and a wash down there as well. So we can actually enjoy the boat from either side. When you come back to the helm, I'm going to show you one of my favorite parts. We're going to check that out for just a minute and then come on back. You also notice that she's set up for different weather. So I actually have this isinglass in the back. The whole premise is if we go out early in the morning and it's a little chilly, then we can have all the glass on. I have cockpit heat. You're going to love it. We could take all this off. Everything's nice and open. Everything is easily controlled right here. I have twin Raymarine screens. All of my shade, all of my lighting, everything is done right here. So let's go ahead and pull that shade back in. Just that easy. I've got a premium sound system on here. I've got my Mercury controls, my Lenco trim tabs, my sky hook is right here, my autopilot's right here, and my joystick is right here. It's an easy boat to drive, it's an easy boat to enjoy, and it's one that all of the family will love. My name's Chris Whitman with MarineMax Maryland. Come on by, let's get you on the water.